Welcome back. There's a sharp sell-off in the markets at the low point of the day for all the frontline indices, but we've run out of time. We hand it over to closing bell. But as we wrap up on Mutual Fund Corner, here's a beginner's guide to what an SIP or a systematic investment plan is. Take a look.
Wow, Feroz, I never took you to be someone who'd be so fond of gardening.
Well, it can't be all work and no play. Now you know how I take care of my mental health after a big long week around the markets.
You know, Feroz, I agree with you wholeheartedly. For a lot of people, the market can be quite stressful. But then gardening does just the opposite. It's so relaxing. But I've been wanting to ask you, what's with this measurement?
Shall I explain it my way?
Go ahead.
I'm just being SIP smart about it, SIP smart about it. Indoor plants need little water. So this measurement helps me just like a systematic investment plan would. Wealth is created bit by bit, which allows you to invest in a predetermined frequency, a small amount on a monthly basis.
Okay, so that makes perfect sense because too much water or too little water, either way, it can be damaging to your plants. Just like being SIP smart or systematically smart would allow you to actually get more units when the market is down and the price is low. Isn't that right?
Yes, I think it's a very, very convenient tool for salaried employees so that they don't have to cash the market at a specific level because you're buying at different points in time. You're not worried about what market levels you're catching, and you can invest regularly a smaller amount of money, just like your salary gets credited.
So exactly how many reasons are there to invest via SIPs?
Well, it imparts financial discipline and helps you invest regularly without wrestling with the market moods or index levels. Just like these plants, they look fresh, they have life, and they're growing.
All right, so by watering, fertilizing, and nurturing these plants and your SIPs, you'd actually be able to benefit from compounding, and therefore, it'll help you achieve your long-term goals.
SIPs are surely a safer bet, and you can start with as little as 500 rupees as your monthly investment.
So like little drops of water can actually give you a lush green garden, and SIPs therefore throughout your long-term investing career can actually create massive wealth, isn't it?
Absolutely, couldn't agree more, Sumera.
And Feroz, you remember what Buffett said, right? We're sitting under a tree because somebody planted a seed.
Who better than Buffett can say that?